Hi, welcome to Megamed.in. Megamed is an online medical device company. We supply critical care and mobility equipment span India. Today we'll be showcasing one of the best auto bipap machines in Indian market, which is manufactured by Resmed. If we talk about Resmed as a brand, it is one of the best manufacturer of sleep and respiratory care equipments with the experience of more than 30 years. Now the model which we'll be discussing today is Resmed AirCurve 10V Auto. This is a BiPAP auto machine from Resmed and this product is widely available and used in India. Now auto BiPAP machines, if we talk about and in terms of sleep apnea treatment, auto BiPAP machine is used when sleep apnea patient has higher pressure requirements. The device works by adjusting the baseline pressure to hold the airway open while maintaining a fixed pressure support. Now let's discuss the clinical features of this model. There are three major modes available in this device. One is CPAP, one is S and one is VAuto. Now if we talk about the pressure range of this machine, in BiPAP modes the pressure is 4 to 25 centimeter of water and in CPAP mode it is 4 to 20 centimeter of water. Now let's talk about algorithms of this device, as it is very important for sleep apnea treatment devices to have a good algorithm. So let's discuss. First of all, it has a VAuto feature. VAuto feature automatically adjusts the EPAP, expiratory pressure, in event of sleep apnea to ensure patient's airway is open throughout the night. The second good option is Easy Breathe algorithm. Now what it does, it senses the breathing pattern of the user and adjusts the rise time accordingly. Now rise time is shift from EPAP to IPAP. Easy Breathe does it automatically for the patient. You don't have to set a manual value for it. Now then there is a V-Sync algorithm which ensures patient and ventilator synchrony in case of leakage through mask while using VAuto machine. This feature is very important and for effective therapy. Now there is TI control. Inspiratory time control is there that offers you to make adjustment in inspiratory time by choosing minimum and maximum limits. Now we all understand it's a medical device, so patients must go through sleep testing and use this device at the recommendation of doctor only. Now let's talk about the comfort features of this device. There is ramp for extra comfort. So Resmed AirCurve 10V Auto offers ramp function in which at the start of the therapy, device gives very slow pressure to ensure that patient can be comfortable at the start of the therapy. Now Smart Start is also available. So all you need to do to start the machine, that is to connect the tube, wear the mask, connect it to the power, and machine will automatically start once it senses a breath from you. There is a climate control technology as well. This machine comes with an inbuilt humidifier to maintain stable humidification, and you can also choose an option for climate control tubing for less condensation and when you're using a humidifier. Now there is a detailed reporting available through SD card in this machine, and there is a cloud connectivity option available as well. So please contact your provider to get more information about this. Now let's talk about how to maintain this device and order this device. You have to clean filter every 15 days. You have to change filter every 3 months. You have to clean your humidifier in every 15 days. You have to change humidifier and tube every year to ensure a better therapy. Change your mask cushion in 3 months, complete mask in 8 to 12 months to ensure less leakage and effective therapy. Now one more important thing is that you do not have to move any BiPAP or CPAP machine while using it with the humidifier, and when water is filled. You have to be very cautious about that. Warranty of this product in India is 2 + 1 years for now. If there will be any change, we will let you know. Now if you wish to order this device, please follow the link in the description, or you can place order through phone and WhatsApp as well. The phone number and WhatsApp numbers are also available in description. Delivery time in major cities of North India is 3 days and rest of India it will be 4 to 5 days. And we also have multiple express shipping options available. You can talk to a representative according to your needs. Now we have multiple payment options on our website like cash on delivery, card, net banking, UPI or EMI. In case of any questions or you want to understand that which device will be better for you, you can talk to our support specialist and they will help you out accordingly. Thank you so much for your time and have a good day.